This is the National Weather Service office here in Gaylord, Michigan, with your morning hazardous weather briefing for Wednesday, July 3rd, 2013. And we're still looking at possible thunderstorms across northern lower Michigan, and that is going to be for this afternoon and this evening. Now, no severe weather is expected with any of the storms. However, brief heavy rainfall is always possible. On the current weather map, there was high pressure stretched from Quebec across Ontario and Lake Superior, with an area of low pressure in Indiana, and there was some surface troughing that extended northward from this low pressure back across Lake Michigan and the western lower shoreline. There were some scattered light rain showers and sprinkles that extended from the middle parts of Lake Michigan back up into the eastern UP. In the meantime, south of the low pressure, there was a cold front moving across portions of Kentucky and Tennessee, and this is where all the very humid air resided. Now, as we head into Thursday evening, that area of low pressure is going to work into lower Michigan and basically dissolve and just wash away, leaving us into an increasingly more common southwest flow and a more summertime type wind pattern. And we're going to see low pressure that starts to emerge across the Dakotas and eventually into the upper Mississippi River Valley, and eventually into the western Great Lakes here by Monday, the start of the early next work week coming up. And that is when our chances for showers and thunderstorms will return to the region. Now, as far as the severe weather outlook for today, again, no severe weather is anticipated. However, there is a chance for thunderstorms across a good chunk of northern Michigan. Maybe not so much across eastern upper, but especially across northwest lower Michigan. That is where we expect the thunderstorms to be more common today. But what are we looking at for today? We got temperatures that are going to rise well into the 70s, some places touching off into the lower 80s. Skies are going to have some cloudiness around, but the sun will be peeking through, helping us warm up to these temperatures. And again, the thunderstorms and the scattered showers that are expected will be focused primarily across the northwest half of lower Michigan. And again, that is our hazards outlook. Thunderstorms that are possible this afternoon and this evening. Again, no severe weather, with thunderstorm chances returning by early next work week. And a warm and increasingly muggy 4th of July weekend is in store for us, so it's going to feel pretty much like summer out there. And that'll wrap up this hazardous weather briefing. Please come back for our next scheduled broadcast at around 5 o'clock this afternoon. Thank you for listening to your National Weather Service here in Gaylord, Michigan.